Welcome to the Tune-Up Challenge, where I take songwriting and I break it into a simple practice so you can realize how fun and easy songwriting can be. Have you ever played the game Memory, where you try to recall where certain cards are placed? Or have you ever played that name game when you're trying to remember a group of new names and everyone goes around in the circle, they say their name and they associate it with a word? In today's Tune-Up Challenge, we are going to exercise your musical memory by practicing recalling a melody. Recalling melodies is important in learning how to retain music, as well as collaborating with others and overall improving your musicianship. It will begin with just a few notes, and each time it's repeated, one new note will be added. The goal is to recall 8 measures of music. Here are some tips you can use to recall a melody. Hum or sing it out loud. Focus on the rhythm, pitch, and any emotional or stylistic elements that stood out to you. Play it on an instrument. Sometimes physically playing the melody helps reinforce it in your memory. Break it into phrases. Melodies often come in recognizable phrases. Try to break the melody into smaller chunks to recall each phrase individually. This method makes it easier to remember specific sections and piece them together. Let's put your memory to the test. This melody will give you the starting note, pause, and then the exercise will begin. You'll hear a series of notes, followed by a longer pause. During that pause, it's your time to find and repeat the melody. The melody will then appear again with a new added note, and so on and so on. Let's see how many notes you can recall. Today's tune-up challenge, Melody by Memory. I look forward to hearing your response to this exercise inside the Tunagers Club.